In this video, I will show you how to cancel a recurring payment on PayPal. To do this on the website, what you want to do is just sign into your account, then go to the settings in the top right. And then from here, you want to go to payments here, and then scroll down a bit, and then you'll see automatic payments. Click on that, and from there you'll find all of your subscriptions and stuff like that. Now just find the one you want to cancel, for example Adobe right here. If you then go and click on it, if it's active it will say active, and then you can simply click cancel, then click cancel automatic payments, and now you will have cancelled the payments from, in this case, Adobe, and it will now be under inactive. If you're doing it on the app, just open the app, click on the three lines in the top left, and then click on pay a bill. There you will then find your active subscriptions that you are currently paying for, and if it shows up there, you can then go and cancel it. So now you know how to cancel recurring payments on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.